This morning, I want to talk about prosperity, a race for wealth and war. I want war and tyranny. I want to sacrifice peace and liberty to secure prosperity. I want Europe torn apart. I want the skies of London lit by flame and millions dead to promote and defend the single market for national parliaments. That is why I'm here today, to denounce new thinking, to denounce commitment to friendship. I am ineffective and incontinent. I am not the future. I am a cunt, always been a cunt, always going to be a cunt. Now, to those who say I am a dark, naturally occurring phenomenon, plague that's been visited on our countries, that I am a weary caravan strewn with rubble, I would say, with all my heart, I am a cunt, always been 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 a cunt. As Chancellor Merkel has said, always been a cunt, 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 a catastrophic cunt for generations to come. Thank you very much indeed.